Hey everyone, today we are going to solve question number 13 of LeetCode, which is Roman to integer. It is a very classic math problem. So let's understand the problem first. So the Roman numerals are based on seven main symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. So here we are given a table of symbol and value. So we have stored the characters of the Roman numbers and the values of the representative characters. So let's look at the examples. Uh, for example, yeah, for example, there is a character number, Roman number, VI triple I. So it would be like 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 8. But in some special cases, a smaller numeral before a larger numeral means subtraction. If it is IV, it means 5 minus 1 equals to 4. IX equals to 10 minus 1 equals to 9. And XL equals to 50 minus 10 equals to 40. So let's look at the approach we are going to use here. So first we create a map that connects each Roman symbol to its integer value. For example, I is 1, V is 5, and X is 10, and so on. And then we loop through the string characters by character. For each character, we compare its value with the value of the next character. If the current value is less than the next, it means it's part of the subtraction pair, so we subtract it from the result. Otherwise, we add it in the result. Finally, we return the total sum. So let's look at the code step by step. First, we'll write the code and then we'll understand all the steps of the code. So let's create an unordered map first. Yeah, so the first one would be I1. Let's just copy this and we'll change the values in it. So it would be more easy for us. Hmm. We have one more left. It would be 1000. Let's remove this comma from here. So yeah, we have created an unordered map here. So this will store all the characters and the integers. Now let's create an answer variable to store the answer. First, it would be initialized at 0. Now let's create a for loop. Now we are going to apply an if condition. I plus 1 is less than s dot size and Roman s of I is less than Roman s of I plus 1. Then what we'll do is we'll remove it from the answer. Now let's write an else condition. Now let's return the answer. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's correct. So let's break it down. Let's break down the code. We start at an empty integer variable, which is answer, that is equals to 0 at first, and it is used to store the final result. And then we iterate through the string s. For each character, if the current symbol's value is less than the next one, we subtract it, and else we add it. This is a simple condition, automatically handles both normal and subtraction ones. So that's how we solve question number 30, which is Roman to integer. It's a very easy question.